Hello children, in this video we are going to study Mathematics chapter 13, The Longest Step, page number 108. Today's topic is cat's food, whether will be rat or milk. Now children, here we are going to answer the questions given below with the help of this picture. Now children, they are asking you, use your fingers to find out the distance between the rat and the milk. Now children, you will see the rat is here and the milk is here. And what is the distance between the rat and the milk? 2 fingers. Children, your fingers are thinner one. So it can be 3 fingers also. Understood? Now children, coming to the next question, they are asking how far is the cat from the rat? Now children, here is the cat and how far it is? 5 fingers. This 4 and this one 5. How far is the cat from the rat? 5 fingers. Now children, the next question they are asking is how far is the cat from the milk? Now here is the cat and milk is here. So how many finger far it is? 4 fingers. Now children, with this, what will the cat reach first? The rat or the milk? Of course, the milk. Because cat is 5 fingers away from rat. Cat is 5 fingers away from rat and milk is 4 fingers away from cat. So the cat will reach milk first. Now children, can the rat save itself? How? Yes, the rat can save itself because till the cat reach the milk, the rat will run away. Now children, tell a story using this picture. You have to make a story using this picture. Now children, they are asking how long is the rat's tail? Now children, if you will measure with fingers, with my fingers it is 3 fingers. Children, your answers may be different because your fingers are thinner than my fingers. Now children, who has longer whiskers, the rat or the cat? Now children, whiskers are these. See, these are whiskers. These are cat whiskers and these are rat whiskers. If you observe, you will find that, of course, the cat whiskers are longer whiskers. Now children, the next picture is measure and draw. See here children, they are telling you draw a leaf 2 fingers away from the stone. You have to draw a leaf 2 fingers away from the stone. I have kept like these 2 fingers and I have drawn the leaf here. Now children, the next question is draw a banana 5 matchsticks away from the monkey. Now children, if you keep matchsticks like this, you will find that from monkey it is at the distance of 5 matchstick. So I have drawn the banana here. Now children, they are telling you in the next question, draw a kite 7 fingers away from the stone. So here there are 5 fingers and this 2. So I have drawn kite here. Now children, they are telling you draw cloud 3 matchsticks away from the kite. You can draw in any direction children. It is not like that you have to draw in this direction only. You can draw in any other direction. Now here, see children, draw a cloud 3 matchsticks away from the kite. So this is cloud I have drawn 3 matchsticks. Matchsticks will be kept like this children. No? Now children, draw a bird 4 fingers away from banana. Now I have drawn 4 fingers away from banana. Now children, draw yourself anywhere on the page and find how far you are from the monkey's nose. Now monkey's nose is here and I have drawn myself here 2 fingers away. And how far are you from the monkey's nose? 2 fingers away from monkey's nose. Children, in this way, we have seen, children, in this way, we have drawn pictures in any direction from the given reference object. Now, children, coming to the next pattern. Is that so? Sanju and her friends were trying to find out the length of their different body parts. Here is what they found out. Now, this boy is saying that my face is about 1 handspan long. See, children, from here to here, he is measuring and he is telling that my face is about 1 handspan long. The next boy is saying, my arm is not as long as my leg. Now, children, this girl is saying, my forehead is about 4 fingers wide. Do you agree with what they said? Yes, we of course agree with what they said. Now, children, this is the activity you have to do on your own. You have to check how many of your friends have a face 1 handspan long, the arm as long as the leg, a forehead 4 fingers wide. This you can try with your parents or with your friends. Now, children, the next question is, you can try and measure other body parts with your fingers and write their length. Your nose is how long, children? How many fingers long your nose is? And your ear is dash fingers long. This you have to find it out. Okay, children. With this, we found in this chapter the different lengths of objects and even body parts through our estimation by using non-standard units of measurement. Here we have completed this chapter, children. Hope you have understood the chapter. Bye, children. In the next video we will see chapter number 14, that is birds come birds go. Till then, bye, children. Have a nice time.